Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Taylor and today we are finally making over our back patio. We have lived here for a little over 2 years now and we've never really got to redo it. And as you can see, just dirty concrete, dirty siding, and lots of overgrown weeds. So stick around for this transformation. So my dad was so kind to help me power wash the back patio and he literally made it brand new. And I also had to run to Home Depot to get a brand new hose because ours was so jacked up from winter. And so he was kind enough also to weed while I was gone. And I'm so thankful for him because I was planning on doing that. So now you see me putting together our fire pit. This one is a gas fire pit. I decided to go gas because we live in an HOA, and so obviously I didn't want the fire burning smells, so I thought this would be the better route to go. But this thing was such a pain to put together. I love putting things together, but this was just ridiculous. So now on to the patio furniture. You saw me struggle before trying to put the fire pit together and I had to redo a lot of this stuff. And same with the patio furniture. Honestly, this was the hardest thing I've ever had to put together. And like I said, I love putting things together. I find it oddly therapeutic. And so I just don't understand why I had such a hard time doing this, but I wanted to show the struggle because I feel like in a lot of these makeover videos, you see people just get things right the first time. And so I just want to show the struggle because the struggle's real when, doing a makeover. So yeah, enjoy my struggle bus. So what really put me on the struggle bus was this little tool that I am using that they gave me in the tool package, and it just would not work properly. And so that's why I took so long to put this thing together because it was really hard to work with. New day, same love seat. So you see me struggle busing again because I thought that it would be a little easier because I already did one, but in fact it wasn't. And this is also just a reminder that whenever you do little projects like this, like it doesn't have to be completely done in one day. So just don't stress over those things, because I can tend to be that way. But yeah, things don't have to be done in one day. Rome was not built in a day. So don't stress if your project takes a little longer than expected, because life happens and you can't really do anything about it. So yeah. Now you see me putting together the Edison bulb string lights. My mom got me these for Easter one year, and we are just now putting them out. And so another day, same project. You see me and my husband figuring out how we wanted to line them along our fence. Didn't I say that life was crazy? Because here's a new day. New project. My husband and I are putting together the grill, and honestly, this was the easiest thing I've put together this entire project. I honestly thought that it would be a little harder because it was a grill of all things, but no, this thing was super easy and it's so cute. I'm so excited to grill some scrumptious steaks on this grill. So we've made it to the after. So finally everything is put together. We have a lovely seating area with a fire pit that can also be used as a table and a grill, and some extra seating, as well as a clean concrete and more organization for everything that is out there. I will say that ever since this has been put together, I just feel at ease every time I'm out there, knowing that I am comfortable and cozy and clean and in such a great atmosphere. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will leave everything linked in the description box below, so check it out, and peace out, Girl Scouts.